but the lights dimmed and then went back up.
Something or someone once startled a security guard in this building on the campus of Westminster College.
To this day, he has not been in this building. And that was more than 2 decades ago.
More recently, a student was spooked.
He heard his name being called from the rafters of the building.
No.
Michelle Barber Linakis has never seen a ghost, but
The dean of our honors college, Richard Bodenhausen, he believes that Irene Nunemaker is responsible for the paranormal activity that happens in this building.
the long-gone lady lived in New York City, not Salt Lake City, but she was a member of the Presbyterian Church, which ran the college in 1977 when the building she helped design was completed.
So she was single, never married, no heirs, so Westminster was a benefactor of her Avon fortune.
Yes, Avon. Could Irene's ghost linger like the scent of perfume?
Do you like to scare the students that live here?
Matt and Jennifer Jones run thedeadhistory.com, exploring ghost stories and urban legends.
You two must be believers.
Yeah, for sure.
I don't believe in ghosts. But there's a lot of things that I can't explain.
Like recordings captured on this device.
It's a Panasonic IC recorder, and I believe it was made in 1988. They're very rare.
Rare because original owners tossed them out for the same reasons ghost hunters now pay $2,000 or more to get one.
They called this the Pandora's box, because once you start recording something, all sorts of things come out.
The results are known as electronic voice phenomenons, or EVPs. Here's one from a museum in central Utah.
We asked him how could we know that it was him? And he states his name.
Does it sound like Lyndon to you? This one is from the Ben Lomond Hotel in Ogden.
Clear as day, like I'm speaking to you now, we heard a male's voice say, "down." And we just happened to be talking about some of the jumper suicides that had occurred at the Ben Lomond Hotel.
What are the chances that we're going to get something?
I think they're great.
After all, Irene is just one of several ghosts said to be on campus. One may be a boy who died in a farming accident on the property the campus stands on today.
His father severed his legs and he died immediately.
Is the little boy here? We'd love to know what your name is.
If he's here, he's playing hide and seek. But back at Nunemaker,
It's as quiet as a tomb down there.
the recording device captures something none of us heard with our own ears.
And here comes the prompt.
It's like a pretty peaceful place. Would you want to stay here for a while?
And a signal that strong, I mean, my voice isn't even going that strong.
Is Irene Nunemaker trying to scare people or just sell more Avon?
What is certain, you just learned a little bit about a woman who